My client came in with super thick hair looking to get rid of the line of demarcation and turn it into a more natural brown balayage. I started balayaging her hair and then applied her natural color in between the foils so that I could break up that line of demarcation and leave her hair with a beautiful amount of dimension. When I'm doing freehand balayage into a foiled method like this, I like to do a W section at the top and then paint backwards to blend that line. I then just saturate the rest of the hair with my hands and put it into a foil. Her hair was so long we used 4 foils for every single balayage section. As I'm removing the foils, you can see the lift is so perfect, but it does have a little bit of a green tint to it, which we did expect. I mixed up Color Touch 773, which is a really warm, natural medium brown. The results were so beautiful and exactly what she wanted. I wanted to show you guys how gorgeous it looked straight as well as curly. Her hair is so gorgeous and healthy, and this just really gave it the perfect amount of dimension. There were no more lines of demarcation, and now this could just grow out really easily and look beautiful for as long as she wants.